This is a recycled plastic brick that was made from plastic and sand. And with these two combined together, we have a very solid and durable product. So how do we make brick from recycled plastic? Come on guys, let's get into production.
Welcome to Cling Sites!
So first, we are going to need a mold. So what I did was stain the mold with some engine oil so that the molten plastic will not stick to the mold. And also stain a plain wood that will be used to compress the molten plastic. And next, we will need some sand and some HDPE plastic. I use HDPE plastic to avoid intense toxic flame. And guys, don't forget to do this in a ventilated area. So I put all the plastic into a container to be melted. Then I use my propane burner to heat up the content. Then when the whole thing had melted, I added some sand and stirred it. And when the content had heated properly, I stirred again and turned the whole thing into the mold. And then compressed it with the plain wood that I stained earlier and let it sit for a while. And then I added some water and let it cool. And when the plastic had cooled, I then hammered the whole thing out. And then, there you have it guys, a homemade brick that was made out of waste plastic and sand. So that is it for the video. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Stay safe and stay creative.